this video, we'll give a quick overview of the Judoka Dashboard on Dojo-On. The first section I'll show you is the drop-down menu accessible from the profile icon. Inside, you'll find several quick access buttons. I'll show you the one to toggle day/night mode. With a simple click, you can see the dashboard's appearance change. Personally, I prefer night mode. In the profile section, you can view all the information entered during registration. Some of these details can be updated independently, while others, such as the belt level, can only be changed by your sensei through their account. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the user ID. Just remember that this code is located here, as it may be useful in the future. Now let's take a quick look at the main page. At the top, you'll find cards showing the number of users present in the dojo, events in the calendar, both private and dojo-wide, and personal notes, which I'll soon show you how to add and save in local storage. Local storage means that this information is saved in the browser and not in the database. This means that if you switch accounts or use a different browser, the previously saved notes will no longer be visible, as they are tied to the browser you used. This section allows you to take quick notes or use a to-do list, where you can mark completed tasks with a check. To conclude, I'll give you a quick look at the other pages of the dashboard. Don't worry, we'll create detailed tutorials for each of them. I wish you a great training session.